Ferass Elrayes is Allyant's Chief Technology Officer and the product leader behind CommonLook PDF, a PDF remediation software solution that has really set the industry standard and has already been trusted by thousands of customers over the years. But the best just keeps getting better with the latest CommonLook PDF release. Ferass, thanks for joining us today and sharing your thoughts with us.
Thanks for having me.
Of course, you've been in the PDF accessibility space for more than 20 years. You created the CommonLook PDF software literally decades ago. And still today, you're instrumental in helping write the global standards for PDF accessibility. So I'm curious, what are the new capabilities of CommonLook PDF and why are you so excited about them?
Well, we've made a strategic decision a couple of years ago to make our products easier to access and more efficient to use. Right? So we have been following the latest achievements in machine learning and in AI, and have invested very heavily in this field. Okay, so the result has creating a software that offers like AI-driven auto tagging, along with two editors, a simplified version and a more advanced version that users can pick from depending on their level of expertise. This enables a wider range of users to use the application, thus breaking down barriers and enabling more organizations to make progress in their accessibility goals much more quickly. Now, as you are aware, more organizations are under regulatory pressure to enable their PDFs, to ensure that their PDFs are compliant with accessibility standards. And because of Title II rulemaking and EAA and other laws, our software offers extensive reporting for many accessibility standards, including WCAG 2.0, 2.1, 2.2 AA, in addition to PDF UA and HHS. We also test for a variety of quality metrics like broken links and empty tags, although these technically are not part of the accessibility standards, but they're always good to have.
Absolutely. And the ability for organizations to more quickly meet these compliance requirements is instrumental. You mentioned AI, it seems to be sort of all the discussion these days. It's incorporated into the software. Why was that important for us at Allyant and for you as kind of the head of the software creation?
Yeah, so AI is a great tool, and it's very important for increasing efficiency. Yeah, I mean, it's possible to achieve many things today with the help of AI that were impossible a few years ago. We at Allyant believe that it's very important to stay at the cutting edge of technology and to continue innovating, and bringing the latest technology advancements into the products we build. So our customers needed a simpler tool, and we built it, right? So we're using advanced AI models to help tagging documents from scratch. Our models have been trained on thousands of documents to ensure the best possible outcome. We continue to improve our models and add more AI-driven features into our products. Stay tuned.
That's really exciting. PDF accessibility can be overwhelming for organizations who have hundreds of thousands of documents. What do you say to folks who might feel overwhelmed, especially with these compliance deadlines looming, and they don't even know where to start to meet the requirements? What do you say to them?
Well, I would tell them that the task is as easy as the tool you're using, right? So there are solutions today that expedite meeting their compliance requirements. The CommonLook PDF software is great for keeping up with your PDF accessibility and compliance requirements. The simplified editor we created can be used by anyone with any skill set, enabling organizations, as I mentioned before, to make progress and meet compliance very quickly. Most organizations also have a backlog of thousands of inaccessible documents. So we can help them identify and prioritize these documents and decide on which ones to be made compliant first. We have a team of remediators that can work with them and help them catch up as part of our remediation service.
So the headline is, don't worry, we got you. We can help you if you feel overwhelmed. I'm curious, what do you think differentiates CommonLook PDF software from others on the market?
Yeah, so it's we believe it's the only tool that provides two interfaces, right? A simplified and an advanced editor. The user can pick whichever one they want to use to remediate their documents. Okay, so users could also choose the simplified editor to even advanced users to do the bulk of the work, right? And then switch to the more advanced editor to touch up their document and handle edge cases, right? The new version of the software is a web application, right? So it's platform independent. You can use it from desktop computers using, Windows, Mac, Linux. You can also use it from tablets running Android or iPad OS. You can also even use smartphones with larger screens. And I actually tried it. It works, right? Mm-hmm. So in addition to that, Allyant has a huge service department with many remediators. And over the years, our remediator team has remediated millions of documents and pages. They have provided us with very valuable feedback and on how to make this tool much more efficient, right? So in addition, we also participate in ISO meetings, right, which set the standards for PDF and for the PDF standard itself and PDF UA and PDF A and other standards as well. So we have a very, very deep understanding of these standards and the intention of every checkpoint. Like we were there when they were written. We understand how we came to these standards, right, and checkpoints.
I love how you're bringing in the experience of our team with the expertise of the folks participating in the creation of the software, really understanding what the market needs. That's fantastic. And then giving them a tool that's really available to everyone, everywhere. It's amazing. Technology continues to evolve and advance, but PDFs have stood the test of time. What do you think is next for the future of PDF remediation software?
Well, I mean, there are many advantages, to PDF over other file formats, right? It's one of the most ubiquitous, file formats on the internet. So I believe PDFs are not going anywhere. For the future of PDF remediation software, we're planning on adding more automation using AI-assisted features throughout the software, both in terms of remediation features and also in terms of validation.